Hello everybody, welcome to the campfire. We're gonna be telling some not ghost stories, because I get scared very easily. Like, oh my goodness, I looked at the tree and it's a tree and I thought somebody's there. I still have my blanket here, but it's a bit warmer on the chair next to the fire, but let's get some snacks. So I have some more tea. I don't know if you can see, but believe me. And I have sour cream and onion Pringles. When I was younger and we had those like school parties for like Christmas and stuff, we would have some candles, which in hindsight was a stupid idea. But we would get like crisps and stuff and like burn them slightly in the fire. They would always catch on fire and just say, oh, it's on fire, and we would always put out the fire because we were responsible 8 years old. But it was fun, nostalgic. Okay, so I got a little light, quite a big light, so you can actually see me a bit of a spooky lighting, but I can't direct this on my face cause it blinds me. But yeah, I'm just chilling here outside. It's so dark. If you think it's super dark, it is super dark. I'm kind of sad I don't have like a tent. Like, I don't think I would spend the night outside, but it would be nice to have like a little house to hide in. But still being outside, that would be nice. Maybe I should get myself a tent and camp in the garden. By the way, now I'm looking at the sky and it's so pretty. Such a starry sky. Let me show you. I don't know if it's gonna be visible on my phone, but yeah, my phone doesn't pick it up, unfortunately, but believe me, you can see a star right there. It's super bright. Maybe that's why my phone picked it up. Anything else? There's a bright one here, but I think that's not a star. What else? I think I showed you that one. Oh, here's our star. Close enough, you know. Close enough. So we have constellation here. Oh, you can see one over there next to the tree. Are you a star? I can see stars, I don't know if you can. But there is some stuff up there. By the way, I am such a scaredy cat because I hear some noises around and it's not really that late, so it's just neighbors. But I'm like, what was that sound? It was nearby, and it's just like a neighbor closing the window. Like, if anything, I think I am the spooky one, just out there in the darkness with a fire, talking to my phone. But it is fun. I really enjoyed being outside today because there are no bugs yet, which is amazing. If it was summer, I would be like swarmed by mosquitoes and stuff like that. Awful, terrible. I don't recommend. But now it's this like perfect time to be outside. It's not too cold, it's not freezing, so pretty pleasant. But you don't get bitten by stuff, so yeah, good. I just had a little no moment because I put a branch in and I killed the fire, but I started oh. Okay, so the fire is going again and I am going to wrap myself in a blanket and just chill for a while. I can't even describe how cozy this feels. You know, the presence of fire, I feel like it does something to the heritage people have, you know, engraved in themselves. There's just something in our nature, you know, engraved in people that makes us attracted to fire in a way. You know, it's warm, you can cook with it, it's safety, and it's damn cozy. Oh, but I'm having so much fun just sitting by the fire under the starry sky. You know what would be terrifying, and it's very likely to happen, that some cat walks behind me and I hear it. Because cats around here aren't really sneaky. Like, in the night at least. During the day there are so many different sounds I don't really hear them, but during the night, when I feel they should be sneaky, they are not really sneaky, and you hear this like tick, 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 and you see a cat. But since, you know, I am in the great outside, if I heard something behind me, I would run. But yeah, I hope no cat thinks it's a good idea to come up. I am going to lay down now for the maximum coziness, and because I also want to get a better look at the sky, hopefully you'll be able to... No, you won't be able to really see anything. Alright, here we go! Darkness. And this is my view. You can see significantly less amount of stars than I can, but here are some trees. Trees are quite visible. Oh, could you hear the train? So nice. I like the sounds of civilization. I know there's a noise pollution going on, but they make me feel safe. Oh, my phone is dying. So I want to wish you for Women's Day and for every day all the best, good health, happiness, confidence, you know. And I hope you had a wonderful day, whether it was at home or you went out or, you know, just chilled. So yeah, have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is for you. And I shall see you next time. Bye bye.